Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Alienware AW920H gaming headset. A futuristic piece of tech packed with features designed to enhance your gaming and multimedia experience. The AW920H impresses with its bold, sci-fi-inspired design reminiscent of Alienware's signature aesthetic. The headset features a matte finish with RGB Alienware logos, giving it a premium look. The pleather cushions and headband provide high comfort levels, although the small ear cups might be restrictive for larger ears. Despite its sturdy build, the headset's clamping force could be uncomfortable over extended use. One of the standout features is its tri-mode connectivity. 2.4 GHz wireless, Bluetooth 5.2, and a 3.5mm wired option, catering to different setup preferences. However, it's worth noting that simultaneous Bluetooth and wireless usage isn't supported. Physical controls are abundant but somewhat cramped, with notable features like ANC toggle and mic mute. Though the placement could use refinement for better usability. Moving to sound quality, the AW920H delivers solid audio performance. Active noise cancellation is effective without heavily distorting audio, although it introduces a slight high-frequency fizz. Dolby Atmos support enhances spatial audio, making it great for immersive gaming and movies. The 40mm drivers provide a well-tuned, balanced sound profile with good clarity and bass response, suitable for a variety of content. The detachable microphone incorporates AI-powered noise suppression, effectively reducing background noise like mechanical keyboard clatter. While it excels in noise suppression, the overall voice quality is decent but not exceptional. In conclusion, the Alienware AW920H gaming headset offers a compelling package with its robust build quality, versatile connectivity options, and commendable audio performance enhanced by features like ANC and Dolby Atmos. However, it's not without its flaws, such as the restrictive ear cup size and some design quirks with controls and connectivity. Priced competitively within its category, it's a solid choice for gamers looking to combine style with functionality. That wraps up our review of the Alienware AW920H gaming headset. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth product critiques. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy gaming!